Welcome to Florida, day
12.
Today we're going to Blizzard Beach. I love Blizzard Beach. You've never been?
Nope.
So you're going to do, I'm sure you'll do Summit Plummet, the tallest slide there.
Is it a scary one?
It's quite scary. When you climb all the stairs, you'll notice this. You can see a lot of the parks from up there. It's really high. I prefer this one to Typhoon Lagoon. The only reason I like Typhoon Lagoon is probably because of the wave pool, yeah.
Proper takes you out.
I like the wave pool at Typhoon Lagoon. But if they didn't have that, I don't think it'd be much of a park, really. Well, I'm not going to be able to take the camera around too much today, so it won't be a massive vlog. Now, because you have to get 2 buses when you go to one of the water parks, we're just going to get a taxi straight.
Thank you.
You normally have to go to Disney Springs first, and then from Disney Springs to either Blizzard Beach or Typhoon Lagoon. But we've set off about 10 o'clock, so it's getting on. The park's already open, so yeah, we're just going to get a taxi straight there. Why not? And we're in the park. You can see Summit Plummet in the distance. Are you scared?
No.
Yes, you are.
I'm not.
So, locker rental, what you do, you pay at that little machine, and then it gives you a number. You type in your code at the machine, and then, yeah, it'll tell you which one is available, and then you just go and grab it. So we've been given 3752, so we're looking for that now. So we got a medium. Lovely.
And then it prints out a ticket, tells you where your locker is, and then you've got to set a passcode, which I've done.
You do it on the machine?
Yeah.
Okay. Easy as that then. Right, let's put this all away and have some fun.
You okay? You're right. You're right.
Did you enjoy that?
I did, I thought it was lovely.
Yeah, it's brilliant, wasn't it?
Very nice.
I love Blizzard Beach. We're walking out now. Aww. For lunch, we had the rice bowl and chicken. And it was lovely, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Really nice.
Like
it's quite light. It was, yeah, pulled chicken, rice and vegetables. And it was
nice to have a bit of broccoli, isn't it?
Yeah, broccoli and greens. It was lovely, really nice. So it's a nice change from a burger and chips or chicken nuggets and chips. They got all that anyway, but hello. So we're going to get a taxi because the bus goes to Animal Kingdom. So if you're going from Blizzard Beach, you got to get a bus to Animal Kingdom first, and then you go to your resort. If you go to Typhoon Lagoon, you go to Disney Springs and then to your resort. So whatever water park you go to, it's always a 2-bus job. Hi there, Ryan, what's your favourite slide of the day?
I like the one we went, all of us went on it. That was good.
Teamboat Springs?
Yeah, because that surprised me at the end where it went so fast.
Big dip.
It was funny.
What was your favourite, Leah?
I think I'd say Teamboat Springs as well.
Really?
Yeah.
And it's 6 of you that can get in there, which is a big number, isn't it?
Yeah, again, it did surprise me at the end. I didn't expect it to be so, it was quick at the end. And I liked
Long one,
the last one we done, but I can't remember what it was called.
Oh, Slush Gusher.
Slush and Gusher, I like that one, but it does hurt your back.
I think my favourite was the Double Dipper, when you're in that. The Double Dipper. Where you're in the rubber ring, and you get timed. I think you have a race, basically. I've never been on that before, so I remember. So yeah. Going back into Port Orleans Riverside. Lovely. We're off to Hollywood Studios tonight. Mainly to go on Tower of Terror again and Rock and Roller Coaster. Yeah. And I don't know what the weather's doing. It's tried to rain today, but it hasn't. So I'm taking my Universal brolly. We're off to have something to eat now. I'm probably going to go for, I haven't done it so far on this holiday, but create your own pasta. It looks really good. I saw someone have it yesterday and it looks yummy. So I'll give that a bash. And I've had loads of burgers, maybe too many burgers. This is the lovely walk we've done every day. Oh, it is a nice place. Very scenic. Look at that. So from left to right. Some bloody screaming kid in the background. Ruining my vlogs. Shut up. So yeah, lovely view to the right. Well, still need to take a picture of this before we go. Pretty view to the left. The first time I came to this resort, it was called Dixie Landings.
And when was that?
When? Well, I was 12. So
Going back.
yeah, we're going back. Alright, alright. What a lovely place this is. So nice. Just catching the Disney bus to Hollywood Studios. We're going to miss getting these buses. They are cool. Literally. Yeah, I'll show you. It's a bit dark, it's getting a bit dark, so you can't really see what's going on. It's a lovely little bus stop. Memories. It's all starting to hit us because we've got 2 more days left. So I don't want to think about it because it's been absolutely wonderful. But the show must go on. We have to start saving or win the lottery and come out here again, I think. There's something about this park I really like.
Oh, I love them all.
I love them all, yeah. But this is up there. We're the top 2, I think. And we're in. Woo!
Oh, I like
It's a really pretty place, this, isn't it? So this is the famous trolley car cafe. We're going to see if they got. We're going to see if they got peanut butter cupcake. Nice. You haven't got one here? Wow. They're out of peanut butter cupcakes. Must be quite popular. So we're heading towards Terra. There used to be a car here. There used to be a car there, I think. Here it is.
Just make sure
Even better at night. We're going to go through there.
Stop. What's going on?
Oh, yes, please.
Oh, I didn't know it came as a 2 scoop. I thought it was
Yes,
just one.
you piglet.
So you can help me eat this.
I don't think this is going to work, is it? I'll feed the camera. Time for rock and roller coaster for the last time. The very last time. Ah, look at this. This is cool. Here it is. Enjoying your ice cream?
Yum yum.
Well, we did rock and roller coaster and then squeezed another Tower of Terror in. Yeah, 5 minutes till park closed, which was, so we got in there I think about 25 past and we managed to get on it, so brilliant. So 2 rides right at the end. 2 of the best rides, in my opinion. Now we're walking out for the last time. Aww, sad time. So we're back from Hollywood Studios for the last time, and it is sad times.
Yeah.
Managed to squeeze on one more Tower of Terror. So we,
Little bonus.
yeah. So we went on Tower of Terror with our fast pass when we got there, then rock and roller coaster, and then Tower of Terror again. So that was really good. And it was all in the space of just a couple of hours, and we did a few things in between. Went in quite a few shops today, didn't we? And Hollywood Studios, it's lovely at night. It's so lit up.
It's beautiful.
It is pretty, isn't it? We've got one more full day tomorrow. A full day, so at least we got that.
And
So,
and a night.
yeah. So we got another day and a night to show.
Oh, I'm expecting our checkout documents tomorrow.
Pardon?
You get your checkout documents.
Oh,
don't you?
yeah. And we got a pack. Oh. Anyway, we won't bore you with this.
No.
So, thanks for watching today. And we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.